Welcome to dashcamtv. Thanks for checking out the channel. Truly appreciate everyone's support. I'm super excited about today's video. Today I'm heading to the small town of Calabogie. Calabogie is located in the Ottawa Valley, and the reason I'm going there is because there is a ski hill there called Calabogie Peaks Resort, and tomorrow I'm going snowboarding for the first time in 4 years, I believe. Other than that video a few weeks back where we were snowboarding behind the four-wheeler. But actual snowboarding down a hill. So stick around, and I can almost guarantee you there will be some snowboarding footage in this video. Currently on Highway 7 eastbound. We'll be passing through a few small towns and villages. Kaladar, Sharbot Lake, Maberly, Perth, and then in Perth we turn north onto, I believe it's the 511, and go through Lanark and Hopetown on our way to Calabogie. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Coming into Kaladar, definitely slowing down to the speed limit as there is a police station directly to the left. Do not need a speeding ticket. So Kaladar is located on the crossroads of Highway 7 and Highway 41. Highway 41 runs north-south from Napanee north to Pembroke. So going south, Napanee is about 50 kilometers away, and then north, Pembroke is about, I think, 170, maybe 180 kilometers away. And if you can see that sign, we're 77 kilometers to Perth, 157 to Ottawa. Not that we're going to Ottawa today. Remember, you can join the dashcamtv community on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The links are in the description and on the banner of this channel's page. If you're buying anything on Amazon today, you can also help the dashcamtv community grow by using the link in the description or the comments below. Now passing through Sharbot Lake. The village is just to the south, where there is a high school, a grocery store, a bank, sort of everything you expect in a small town. And that road right there used to be called Highway 38. Well, if you can see that sign to the right, it now says Perth 36 kilometers. So Highway 38, that meant it had provincial designation. It is now called Road 38. Basically, the province offloaded the responsibility to the county, so it's County Road 38. And that is the northern end of it, but the southern end of it is Kingston, Ontario. And I definitely need to do a video about Kingston. Kingston is a very historic town. Very historic city, I should say. It's a city. So look for that in upcoming videos. Directly to our left is Silver Lake. I see quite a few people ice fishing out there today. This is Maberly. Don't blink or you will miss it. 2 points about Maberly. First, just to the right is the Maberly Fairgrounds, which is a very fun old-time type fair where they have a horse show and the type of fair where little old ladies win ribbons for the best apple pie and the best strawberry rhubarb pie. So it was a very fun old-time country fair. Second point about Maberly, a personal connection for me. When my great however many great-grandfathers ago first came over from Scotland to Canada in 1821, he settled in the Maberly area. The town of Perth, population 6,000. We're not going to see very much of it, as we will be turning left at these lights to head north to Calabogie. And I was right. It is County Road 511. Interesting fun fact about Perth is that it is the home to Canada's last duel. Yeah, like a gunfight. I would have to look it up, but I believe it was between a doctor and a lawyer, or maybe it was two doctors or two lawyers. I can't recall for sure. So I think we're now about 60 kilometers away from Calabogie. The small hamlet of Balderson. Let me know in the comments if you can read the road signs. So Balderson is the home, the original home of Balderson cheese. The building to the right, Balderson Village Cheese Store, that was the cheese factory. Balderson cheese as a label does still exist, but I'm quite sure they no longer produce it here. We are in Lanark County, and this is the village of Lanark. This old building straight across from us, right there, that was the Kitten Mill. The Kitten Mill was a retail shop that had all sorts of different things, yarns and fabric and stuff. And it was a great place for my mom and my aunts to shop. They loved it there. But I can guarantee you it was not overly exciting for a 7 or 8 or 9 or 10-year-old boy. But it is sad to see it all boarded up now. We are getting closer to Calabogie. If you're new to dashcamtv and enjoying this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. When you're done watching this video, you're going to want to go back and watch a video called Mr. Beast's Idea, borrowing an idea from Mr. Beast, where I announced an initiative to raise money for the Canadian Cancer Society. You're going to want to watch that video right through until the end. And everyone is going to want to share that video as well. Thank you so much to all my subscribers who have already shared it. Please keep sharing that video and let's get it out there in front of a few thousand more eyes. The small hamlet of Hopetown, which I think is the last village between here and Calabogie. If you can read that sign, Almont, 26 kilometers straight east. Almont is the home of Dr. J. Naismith, or was it Dr. James Naismith, who was the inventor of basketball. yes, he did invent basketball at the University of Philadelphia. So there's always been that argument if basketball is a Canadian or an American sport. I think the 2019 Toronto Raptors settled that issue between Dr. Naismith being born in Canada. I honestly don't know if he was raised there as well. I don't know when he moved to the US. I don't know really much about him because I'm not a huge basketball fan, to be honest, but that's just an interesting little tidbit of information. And here we are in Calabogie. I tell you, that last 30 kilometers of road left something to be desired. You can thank me now for not filming. It was extremely bumpy. Now, I've just realized that I'm not 100% sure where the motel is that I booked. I've stayed right at the resort before, but it was full. So I think I might just sort of drive around and see if I see it, and if not, I'll have to break out Google Maps. It has been a few years since I've been here. Oh, and I just went the wrong way towards the resort. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn around, I think. And here we are at Calabogie Peaks, where I will be snowboarding tomorrow. I'm gonna pull into the parking lot here. And look up on Google Maps where exactly my motel is. I made it to the Calabogie Motor Inn. My boy Blue. Now on the internet, this is only rated as a 2-star motel. But if you ask me, this is decent. Microwave, good size fridge, tons of channels on the TV, good size bathroom, and just a normal bed. It's a beautiful morning for snowboarding. After staying a night at the Calabogie Motor Inn, I would definitely recommend it. I would say it's higher than the 2 stars that it's rated, for sure. Absolutely stunning bluebird day here at Calabogie today. I've done 4 runs so far this morning. Just came back to the truck to grab a quick snack. We'll see what the rest of the day brings. I think everyone can appreciate some good chairlift footage. Calabogie Lake. Just nice blue cruisers today. think? Ride a little swick? It was a great day snowboarding at Calabogie, and we're headed for home. Thanks for watching Dashcam TV. Till next time.